time is approaching 9 a.m. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop, and the fasten seatbelts be overlooked as the items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during the landing, may fall out causing injuries. Please store in your hand luggage underneath the seat in front of you. You may now use your mobile phones. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach the designated smoking area, which is outside the